Welcome to VINDAL'S concept, and today I have a very special class for you, and this is physics practical for WIEC 2023. And the first question, the number one question that they gave to us, if you look at that question very well, they say that they are given a knife edge, a meter rule, that a mass of 100 grams will be labeled P, and a mass of other ones like 20, 40, 60, 80 will be labeled M. Then they also gave us a helical spring. This is called the helical spring. And then they gave us a rotor stand. This is a rotor stand. So I have looked at them and was able to come up with this experiment. What is the concept of this experiment? If you look at this experiment, the setup here, you will realize that I decided to put the 100 grams at the center of gravity of the meter rule. Why did I do that? I did it in order to help the meter rule, because the mass of the meter rule is at the center of gravity, to give it more weight for it to be able to do an oscillation, because we are going to do an oscillation. And when you do this experiment and finish it, your table of value is going to be M, then T1 in seconds, T2 in seconds, then you now have T equal to T1 plus T2 all over 2 in seconds. Then, when you are done with these ones, you now still go further to have T, capital T is equal to T all over N. Then this is another one, also in seconds. Then you have T square, which is also in second square. So please, it's the space that made me to continue from here. So this is going to be here, and this is another place here. So what you are going to do is, first of all, when you slot in 20 grams here, because you may use a mass hanger, or you may use a sellotape or paper tape to be masking it, place it tight at that particular point. And if you see this one is 80 cm, which is 10 cm from the helical spring, while this one is at the 90 cm mark, and this one is at 5 cm mark. So for every 20 gram, there is a time recorded 40, 60, 80, and probably 100. And this is what you're going to have. Now, what I came here to do is to show you analysis of how the graph is going to look like. But what you have to understand is that the time for this T for 20 grams will not be the same as